United Committee Manipur appeals people to join mass gathering to be held regarding Indo-Naga Framework Agreement at Lamyan Bashanglan on September 19. And Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jain Kumar urges people for unity to bring developmental changes in the state. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Sunday Afternoon News. I'm Jay Shainam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. President of United Committee Manipur, UCM Sunil Karam, announced that UCM will hold a mass gathering of various organizations and associations at Lamyan Basanglan in Palace Compound on September 19 for the public to unite and be on alert for safeguarding the territorial integrity of the state following the Indo-Naga Peace Accord, which is most likely to conclude by October this year. He was speaking to media on the sidelines of the Langbal Haithalay Thaba ceremony at Grekupa today. The event was held in commemoration of the martyrs who laid down their lives protecting the territorial integrity of the state on June 18, 2001. Sunil Karam stated that the state is shunned from 16 points included in the framework agreement signed between the Indian government and NSCN-IM on August 3, 2015 till date. He asserted that the committee have held countless meets with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and even submitted memorandum regarding the matter, but to no avail till date. He mentioned that amidst the declaration made by Governor of Nagaland, RN Ravi, to end the Naga peace talk latest by October this year. NSCN-IM has affirmed of certain agreements beside flag and constitution among the included 16 points. He asserted that the meet was called for various communities to unite and stand firm to safeguard the territorial integrity of the state. Speaking on the sidelines, UCM General Secretary K.H. Athobe asserted that the Indian government is trying to create communal tensions among various communities in the northeast region by acknowledging unit Naga history. He further urged public to make part in the meet. The Secretary appealed to the various civil society organizations and associations of the state not to impose ban or blockades on the day.
Naga Peace Accord ke waroisi lakpa matamda Manipur praja punamangna yete makhoigi waroisi lakpa matamda aikoi punamangsu aikoi masida akoi support tawi tabudu hairiba peace talk asina yumthangnariba state singsida karigima makhala matagi chang tagadaba ethnic line da development natraga autonomy province people singba wakal singja amata yaro hebje akoi hanjanjana hairi haujimuchu koina leptan lairi
kunda minariba naga sungai sunu kuki sungai sunu metei pangan sungai sunu akoi punama punjila kanda jat manadaba adungloba mayang leba ki sungloba akoigi nampu sasongi adungloba makoigi policy program colonial attitude carry to wa adungloba moigi dictates mayam se masi akoi maithiba pinanabi dongta joint approach apunba united akoigi mongoloid oiba akoi stock punama akoi puru khudimak se jat khudimak se punjan minaraga india thengnanaba hona minaba sida metei na matam punong tamadui tanja adu ngai dun lei hairiba por sida akoi punna thengnaminasi haba appeal simasu ngasigi numida sigi tanja lorga mayang hun thamjari.
Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jain Kumar urged for unity among people as one individual cannot accomplish the works for the betterment of our state. He was speaking at the flag-off ceremony for Ayushman Bharat Pakhwara at Kangla Western Gate today. State Health Agency, Manipur and National Health Mission, Manipur and Directorate of Health Service, Manipur, jointly organized the 15-day-long Ayushman Bharat Pakhwara event at Janims Conference Hall. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Jain Kumar urged people to avail benefits of the scheme and keep themselves up to date with the new schemes initiated by the government. Maintaining that prevention is better than cure, he advised people to take care of their health.
Panel to hospital singjiga akoi sarkar ga direct ani sing marak se mari thamaga anabda changiba nare hadana akoina hospital da akoigi inpatient level kangbu singda man bed lai da mari changi makli treatment gi cost medicine gi cost laibi singje masi sarkar na lenu buthopi ba baduna lak manga phang manung da leiba aduga mariba sarkar ge na honorable chief minister gi makha da mai maming da roki ba CMST na hariba lak ani makha lebe se asi posima basi package ani sini ojakori yaurisi da hariba singje masi sarkar tokjei hedana harigasu praja na khangbi ragadi praja laktre ar thokdaba aduna praja ke myam plap khangmin rase na haibagi panamdang asi je Ayushman Bharat Pakhwara hedana 15 to 30th of September 2019 masida Ayushman Bharat Prime Minister na lauthokiba launch tawibagi chei ama mapung phabagi madui makhar chathara program ni.
District Health Society Jiribam kick off 15-day Ayushman Bharat Pakhwara campaign at Jiribam district today. A public rally was also held as part of the campaign. The public took out the rally from R.K. Snatombi Devi Vidyalaya School in Babupara till Irabot statue in Jiribam town. Students including SP of Jiribam, police personnel, Angalwadi workers and members of Jiribam municipality took part in the rally. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeting engineers on the occasion of Engineers Day today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held the contributions of engineers on the occasion of Engineers Day today, saying that human progress would be incomplete without their innovative zeal. He greeted the engineers with best wishes through his Twitter handle. Tributes were paid to the exemplary engineer Moksha Gundam Visvesvaraya on his birth anniversary. Members of Manipur Public Works Department Engineers Association Manipur, Water Resources Engineer Association and Power Engineers Service Association carried out cleanliness drive at the surroundings of Kumanlampak Men's Stadium in regard to the 52nd Engineers Day Observation Day today. PWD Chief Engineer K.H. Tembal, top officials of Works, Power and Water Resource Department took part in the social service scheme. Speaking to media, Secretary of Manipur Public Works Department Engineers Association Chongtham Biswa Chandra stated that today is being observed as Engineers Day across the country as reverence to the 159th birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Sir Moksha Gundam Visvesvaraya. He asserted that the cleanliness drive was carried out by members of various engineering departments and associations. Biswa Chandra also asserted that many other social responsibility events, including the social service scheme, will be held every year.
चुनगी अखोई इंजीनियर ना ओइबा युम साबा थोंग साबा कोयलास साबा सिदंग नतना अखोइना अखोइगी जो अतोपा सोसाइटी का लोना तिनना खरा हे नक्सन ननाबा मयाम की पब्लिक का नक्सन ननाबा अखोई सोशल सर्विस कैंप से पांगथोक सबनी सोशल सर्विस तंगी वानते अखोई मारा मारा ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप अवेयरनेस पीबा अदे मयाम पब्लिक की ग्रीवेंसेस ताबा इंजीनियरिंग सॉल्यूशंस मयाम पीबा अदुम अखोई एसोसिएशन मतम मतम की ओइना पाइखत जागनी अंता की अहानबा ओइना अखोई सोशल सर्विस ना अखोई सर्विसेस रगे मपोक कुमंजिदा इंजीनियर्स दे जिदा आना नौना पाइखत सबनी सीमा अखोइने सी याम मीजना खितंग दा ओरिजो खुमलनापाक अखोई मणिपुर की ओरिबा स्पोर्ट्स की सेंटर जिबो खितंग दा ओरिजो सेंगबिबा ngambra haiba adugi pandam da akoina ngasi lakjabani ngasi dangi numit wana te akoi whole year marang marakta akoi adum social activity mayam kayam pangthok sagani.
Winners of second state level mathematical wizard competition 2019 were felicitated today in an event held at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. The competition was organized by EduCity Imphal for students from class 1 to 10. Zonal Education Officer of JDO Zone 1, Sucheta Kumukcham, Managing Director of EduCity, Victoria Kontaujam, and Associate Professor of Liberal College, Soibam Robin, felicitated the winners on the occasion. A showroom called Gira, Made in Manipur, and a website named www.madeinmanipur.com were launched at a showroom near Wangkai Maihobam Lampak today. Rani P, Wangkai P, Panek, and traditional attires for both men and women are available in the showroom and the website at low price. Speaking at the launch event, co-proprietor of Gira, Mutum Ramakanta, stated that various products made in Manipur will be made available in the showroom. He asserted that Manipur-made products will be also uploaded in the website and will provide. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. United Committee Manipur appeals people to join mass gathering to be held regarding Indo-Naga Framework Agreement at Lamyan Bashanglan on September 19th. And Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jain Kumar urges people for unity to bring developmental changes in the state.